No, Chris, wait for the order. Right. Okay, so you know the rules. Anybody need anything clarified? Okay. In the Mike Reed tradition of runaround, Is there a steward's inquiry?
Yeah. Number four.
Number four.
Even attempt it. No.
Number four. Hang on. We need official adjudication. Now, if number four didn't attempt anything, then that is grounds for disqualification. If the grounds for disqualification on the fact that number four didn't drink doesn't work, they might be disqualified for not having a bloody Fijian in the team. No Fijian in the team. Okay.